Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Greg in Iowa on the Longhorn by Ranger Superior N6. Greg, I got you ready to go. You ordered it with the basic tune, Toshiba regulator, and the high cut filter. There is your high cut right there. Let you hear it. That's on AM instead of sideline. Monstrous different there. That's right up there at the top right hand corner. Alright, let's just get right to it. We're going to start with the RF power all the way down. 500 watt slug. 25 all the way down. Roll it up. There's 140 all the way up. Show you average power swing, middle scale. Low, 255 bird. 1000 watt slug and peak. Low, 600 PEP. All right, we've got you ready to go. We're gonna get this out to you from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.